Hello everyone, welcome to day 63 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the incomplete double crochet stitch. So this stitch is done in a even multiple foundation row, and here I have a foundation row of single crochet stitches. So now to start off the stitch, we are going to chain 3, turn our work and start making a double crochet. So once you yarn over and pull out of the first 2 loops, you're not going to complete the double crochet but start making the next double crochet stitch. The chain 3 that we did counts as 1 double crochet. So essentially we have 3 incomplete double crochets here. So now yarn over, pull out a loop, chain 1 and skip the next stitch. Now into the next one, again make 3 incomplete double crochet stitch. Again chain 1, skip 1 and make the next incomplete double crochet stitch. This is a very versatile stitch which can be adapted into any project that you are making. My favorite thing to do with this particular stitch is a mobile pouch. Okay, so now we have completed the first row. Again chain 3. Now you're going to turn your work and place your incomplete double crochet stitches in between the previous row's stitches. Okay, so just like this you can continue to crochet to any length that you want. You can increase the stance of the stitch by making 5 stitches instead of 3, or you can do it with just 2 double crochets as well. It totally depends on how you want the texture to be. Okay, so again we are at the end of the row. On top of the chain 3, you're again going to make 1 incomplete double crochet. Sorry, one double crochet. Okay, so this kind of gives straight edges on both the sides. Do try out the stitch and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.